Hi, I'm Paul. I want to talk about time. So, time being an illusion, or at least a state of mind. And some of you might have heard people say there's no such thing as time. Kind of think there is, but not in the way that we see it. And the way I want to describe this is if I was to move my arm like this in a circle, you would say that that's one continuous move in a circle. But what we seem to do is make points like A, B, C, D. And what this kind of suggests is instead of my hand now moving round in a circle, my arm's moving from A to B to C in the same way that we look at time. So what I'm suggesting is we're actually making one continuous movement through the day or through time. But we like to make these markers of 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock. So it kind of makes these markers through the day when I'm suggesting that we're just making one continuous movement through the world. I suppose in a way, like if you was to be in a flowing river, you're flowing with the river. So therefore you're not noticing any time difference. Like if you was to stand on the side of a river, you would notice this bit of a river from that bit of a river from that bit of a river. So we're just continuously flowing through the day. It's only our minds that makes these pointers of 1, 2, 3 o'clock. So then you could say, well, we have got night and day. But when we look at night and day, that's just our reference to when the sun's shining on us and when it isn't. If we was to try and divide them too with light and day, or daytime and nighttime, would kind of be to suggest that the Earth, or our part of the Earth, is actually facing the sun, and then it's not. But it's one continuous movement from light to day to light to day. Just what it is. So night is just night, day is just day. So for some reason our minds like to divide different stages instead of accepting that it's just what is, just continuously continuing in its path and not divided into segments of what is. Anyway, thanks so much for listening.